You are killing your car and you don't even know it. These 5 innocent habits seem harmless, but they are secretly destroying your engine and transmission. Stop doing number 1 immediately. If you drive a manual, do not use the gear stick as a handrest. The shift fork is designed to touch the rotating collar only when you change gears. When you rest your hand on the knob, you apply pressure. This grinds the fork against the spinning collar constantly. It creates metal shavings that destroy your transmission fluid and eventually the gearbox itself. Keep your hands on the wheel. You wake up late, jump in the car, and floor it onto the highway. You just shaved 50,000 miles off your engine's life. Pistons are made of aluminum. The block is often iron. They expand at different rates. When the engine is cold, the fit is loose. If you rev it high before the metal expands and seals, you get piston slap and blow-by. You are literally sanding down the inside of your engine block. Wait 60 seconds before you drive hard. When you park on a hill, do you put it in park and walk away? You are hanging the entire weight of your car on a tiny piece of metal. This is the parking pawl. It is the size of your finger. If you don't use the emergency brake, this little hook is the only thing stopping your 4,000-pound SUV from rolling away. If someone bumps your car, snap. Your transmission is toast. Always pull the handbrake first, then shift to park. Do you treat empty like a challenge? Driving on fumes is burning out your fuel pump. Modern fuel pumps sit inside the gas tank. The gasoline acts as a coolant for the pump. When you run low on gas, the pump is exposed to air. It overheats rapidly. If you do this consistently, you will pay $800 for a new pump. Treat 1/4 tank as your new empty. And the number 1 way to destroy an automatic transmission, shifting from reverse to drive while the car is still rolling backward. We are all guilty of this when we are in a rush, but inside your transmission, you are forcing gears spinning one way to instantly spin the other. This acts like a hammer blow to your transmission bands, your U-joints, and your CV axles. It causes drivetrain slack. Come to a complete stop, wait 1 second, then shift. Your wallet will thank you. Avoid these 5 habits and your car will last twice as long. But even if you drive perfectly, some cars are just built to fail. You need to know which engines are ticking time bombs regardless of how you drive. Click here to see the list of engines to avoid at all costs.